All right. Um, this is Sarah, and it's Tuesday. Mark and I ordered a bunch of stuff over the weekend, and we came up with a solution for our exhibit space. And I think the conclusion is that at this point we're building less of a planetarium and more of a 10 forward. So it's gonna be more of a astro lounge type space where people can sit and chill and look out a gigantic long panoramic window into our space and have an experience with our AI babies that will be also literally hanging out with them. So we have ordered some cheap projection surfaces to get started with, one actual projector, and everything from IKEA. So this is the first time we're not actually making a pilgrimage to the IKEA store proper here in Linz. We just sort of saved ourselves a day of travel and ordered everything online, and that allowed us to go out yesterday on Monday and get a bunch of groceries. So we have a ton of groceries, like a lot of really good sausage and wafers. Wafers, oh god, they're like my new love. Like all the times that I've been here to Linz, I've never tried their wafer cookies for some reason, because I'm not a huge fan of them, honestly, and Mark, he's the one who got them, and I have to hand it to him. They're great. So now I need to make sure that I can bring some home with me. The lemon ones are fantastic. So it's the morning. I'm having my second cup of coffee now, and then I'm gonna go into the lab and start assembling the fixtures, even though we don't have the glass bells yet. I think the bells will be here on Thursday. I'm gonna go make another Insta coffee, which we got this giant thing of gold Insta coffee, and it's supposed to last like a month or so, and me and Mark have just about burned through the whole thing. So that's where we're at energy-wise. Okay, so I unpacked all of my baggies that I wrapped all of the cores inside of, and there's a pile, 4 different piles, one for each lamp. And this is the red, the blue, the green, and the yellow. So the order of operations for this is going to be from here to here, and I'm gonna do them one at a time as not to confuse all the parts. And there's all my tools. My lovely tools that I remembered to pack. So important. Okay, so the bells are going to be assembled next. The thing that holds the glass, but all of the towers, the little cores are done. So Mark can grab these off the table and plug the babies in and see if they light up and are happy. Yeah? At least I have a nice place to assemble things. Look at this view. This is also my view. Mark is going to glower at me and drink coffee while I put stuff together. Do you want to test them?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Babies. Boopies. I'm gonna start on the bells. Yeah? Yeah. How's the epochs?
Yeah, it's a pretty good number, 2.5.
Epoch.
It gets noodle.
Babies. Ah. Forbidden spaghetti.
The forbidden sketty.
Sketty. Forbidden sketty. Noodle. I'll go assemble more there tomorrow. There's nothing in the world I'd rather be doing right now than sitting at this exact table assembling my stuff. It's kind of heaven. But we gotta take a break and eat dinner because I'm running out of energy. Got a lot done though. Goodbye, pretty view.